Hello friends! Welcome to WordSprout. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful world of school supplies. We'll learn new words and see them in action. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. This is a pencil. Alex uses a pencil to write his notes during class. This is a pencil sharpener. Sarah uses her pencil sharpener to keep her pencils sharp for drawing. This is an electric sharpener. John uses an electric sharpener to quickly sharpen his pencils. This is a pencil case. Lily keeps all her colorful pens and pencils in her pencil case. This is a backpack. Max packs his backpack with all his school supplies before heading to school. This is a hole punch. Tom uses the hole punch to make holes in his papers and organize them in a binder. This is masking tape. Emma uses masking tape to create fun art projects. This is a protractor. Jack uses the protractor to measure angles in his geometry class. This is correction tape. Alex uses correction tape to fix mistakes in his notebook. This is a highlighter. Sophie uses a highlighter to mark important information in her textbook. This is a sticky note. Ben uses sticky notes to leave reminders for himself on his desk. These are scissors. Tom is using scissors to cut colored paper for his art project. This is a ruler. Amy uses a ruler to draw straight lines for her math homework. This is a calculator. John uses a calculator to solve math problems quickly. This is a notebook. Emma writes her daily journal in her notebook. This is a glue stick. Mia uses a glue stick to attach photos in her scrapbook. This is glue. Steve uses liquid glue instead of glue sticks for his big projects. This is a colored pencil. Max colors his drawings with a colored pencil. This is a binder. Lily organizes her school papers in a binder. This is a paperclip. Jack uses a paperclip to keep his important documents together. This is a stapler. Sarah uses a stapler to bind her project papers. This is a staple. Sam needs some staples for his papers. This is a crayon. Emma uses a crayon to create colorful drawings. This is a push pin. Ben uses push pins to attach notes to his corkboard. This is a file folder. Amy stores her important papers in a file folder. This is a magnifying glass. John uses a magnifying glass to examine small details. This is an index card. Emma uses index cards to make study notes. This is a marker. Markers can be used on paper and are great for drawing and writing. Fantastic work, everyone! You've learned so many new words and sentences today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a school supply expert. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time!